So what achievement are you most proud of?
I got an NSF grant, which was the first ever, gotten on this campus. So I think a lot of people thought, oh, that was quite a great achievement. But to me, I think it was just kind of like, I kind of expected it. So I didn't think that was kind of like something I can say I'm very proud of.
So in due time, basically, you're
Yeah, I think
expecting
so.
your...
In due time, maybe I will achieve something that's really great. I don't know. Maybe a book author. That's something that I always wanted to be. You know.
Yeah, that kind of blends in with my next question.
Mhm.
And as I was looking you up, I found out that you have interest in writing poems,
Mhm.
and you have written a contemporary novel,
Mhm.
and that you are working towards your second one.
Mhm.
So, do you find writing just as enjoyable as physics research?
You know what? I think I always enjoy writing because it's kind of express yourself. And sometimes I have a lot of opinions about the things and about people. And I think writing actually provides a creative outlet for those for my feelings. So I do enjoy writing. Yes.
Okay, and can you see yourself as a writer in the near future, or are you gonna continue to stick with physics, as you said?
I wouldn't say that's it. When I do research, I mean, I do have to write because we have to publish papers, so we do have to write. But as far as writing goes, uh, I do I see myself as an author in the near future? In the near future, I don't know, but because writing does takes a lot of time. So with teaching and also with research, I mean, I
Right.
really don't have much time for writing. But would I be a author, book author in a far future? I
Yeah.
would say yes, probably because I'm a very I would have to say that I'm a very creative person. So if I have time, I have to do something. And if I have time to write a novel or something, then I would definitely do so. And also I always wanted to write science fictions because nowadays I think it's a lot of people that write novels they are just not they're just not interested. So I would like to write something that actually like science fiction that has a lot of science in it, but people when they read it, they don't feel bored about it because when I teach, just like when I teach, teach physics in class, I don't want it to be. I want to introduce the subject to students. That make the subject interesting, so that the student when they learn the subject, they feel like they are learning something and without too much of without feeling that they are overwhelmed by the subject. So that's one of my goals is that if I had time, then I will write. I would like to write a couple of science fictions.
Okay, and when can we expect the second novel to be done?
The second novel, I don't. I think at this point, because the second novel is not science fiction, so it's not something I will pursue.
Okay,
Yeah. So,
I see.
yeah.
All right, well, thanks for your time, and
Okay.
it was great talking to
Yeah,
you.
me too.